Just to give you a flavor of what it was like when I first started treating persons with HIV in 1980, is that I would know my patients for probably about 6 months and then they would die. And they would die usually pretty horrible deaths. Many of my patients became my friends and many of my friends became my patients, and it was a really difficult time personally for me because I had very little to offer them except for some transient hope and to prolong their life, but not really to save their lives. Hello, my name is Dr. David Hardy. I am currently an adjunct professor of medicine in the Division of Infectious Diseases at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. I have served on the HIV Scientific Advisory Board for the past 2 years, and I've been a researcher and care provider in the world of HIV since 1982. HIV is the global pandemic of our time. It has impacted currently over 40 million people, around 1.5 of them in the United States. And I think this is something that definitely needs our attention and a long-term control. My working with AGT has been to help advise how AGT can approach the HIV pandemic with a cure, with something that will be hopefully a one-time treatment that will allow people who are living with HIV currently to no longer live with HIV, but in a state of functional cure, meaning life without continuous antiretroviral therapy. Why am I involved with AGT now? Because I think the final solution in terms of a cure is going to involve gene therapy. And AGT has a very well researched and described plan to utilize both of these very important therapeutic interventions to cure HIV infection. What AGT is doing is completely different than antiretroviral therapy in that while antiretroviral therapy endeavors to control the virus with continuous medication, AGT hopes to be able to create new immunity, which is what the really missing piece of the puzzle in the whole HIV solution, in my opinion, is. To create new immunity is really what the body needs in order to be able to control HIV infection without antiretroviral therapy. And I think that's one of the most important and attainable goals that AGT is approaching. So if you're out there interested in HIV cure or would like to know more about HIV cure, certainly I would encourage you to seek out the resources of AGT on their website, which is very, very good. But most importantly, believe and start to discuss the fact that HIV can be cured because we can do it.